Hello and welcome to the new AI. I'm Stefan and I make a new type of chess engine because there is something that Stockfish, the leading chess engine, dearly lacks. What do you think that is? I can play here nicely, but let's see what happens if I have some questions for the engine. You will see that this program is broken anyway. As so many software today, it just breaks, nobody notices. Things are in a mess. But generally, of course, Stockfish does not talk about chess. It only makes moves, but it has no notion of a player, no notion of itself, actually. And you cannot really ask any questions about chess. And this is what I want to change. And I use my language, JavaX, as always. And we will think in graphical terms. You can run this program too, as usual. Windows, Linux, macOS, everything works. Here's the nice graphical interface of the new program. Here, let's try to move it a little. And these bubbles are the nodes we're operating with. Here's a very simple first example, but to the people who complain that stuff is too simple, I only have to say that you have to do the simple stuff to do the higher stuff. How are you going to start? These are the foundations. I promise in the next video we will make a lot of new features. Model like a chess game with the moves and whether it's a draw and everything, and answer questions about it. This is a very simple example. We treat these entities here like chemicals, like atoms, like molecules. So the idea is just to find some realistic scenario. This is very abstract. Random player. These are the actual players. Let's see how things move around when we just click think. So yeah, these bubbles found their way and merged with other bubbles, because this is a good merge. It's a player. A very concrete, good merge. We can do it again, and we have random results here. Either Hikaru is on the left or on the right, and both are realistic scenarios. And the idea here is that there's no actual central control, there's just the behavior of these nodes. An isolated node likes to get in connection somewhere, so it will try to fuse with something. And this is a good fuse. Basically anything can fuse, however these two cannot fuse because they're separated by this relation here. And the two players cannot fuse with each other, because that makes no sense in this scenario. We could have other scenarios where a circle represents a group, and then these two could be in the same circle, but not in this case here. So that's it. We have a basic, very small set of rules, and they are applied randomly, and we get some result. It also takes longer or not so long, depending on how the random generator serves us. Here's the source code. It's short. I repeat myself. Here we make the graph. It makes an automatic image search. We place these nodes somewhere. We make the connection here and these other two nodes. And this is the basic think algorithm. This is repeated as long as it wants. And it just takes two random nodes. And if one is isolated, has no connections to other nodes, and the two are compatible, then it merges these nodes. The rest is implementation details. So, yeah, I always wonder if people understand what I do here, you know? Whether these bubbles here and the connections have actual use. But I hope I explained it a little bit. And as promised, the next time we'll model more. I will try to model the moves in a chess game, the result of a chess game. And we already have something to start with. And then we can really define more terms, ask questions about these terms and everything, and make a self-reflecting chess engine. Something the world has not seen before. All we get are babbling chatbots that try to replicate YouTube comments without understanding anything. Greetings to Cary. I love Cary, but you know, if I want random babbling, I can do it myself. Here are my AI concepts for chess. I just put some concepts in here that make sense. Resigning, timeout, draw, stalemate, checkmate, and so on. and we can use these concepts to reason about chess. There'll be much more to come here. I think I have the right energy now to produce this, even though I'm not getting much rest usually. But yeah, I'm really curious for some feedback. This will be the AI of the future. I mean, this is not random playing, this is an actual new paradigm. Yep, hope to hear from you, dear chess players, or any other smart people